from crazy chases that end in shootouts, and drivers driving in the opposite direction of traffic.
10-4, vehicle stop.
Nope, he's on the wrong way.
To crashing twice and still driving with a blocked view of the street, and much more. Here are some of the craziest police chases caught on camera. Our first chase takes place not too long ago on June 12, 2025, when a trooper spotted a black Cadillac sedan with a defective license plate. This routine pullover turns into a high-speed chase and results in the driver going over 100 miles per hour to escape the troopers.
Russian has been notified. They're going to try and get green light west work out there.
TBI A and B, TBI A and B.
10-4, vehicle stop.
Nope, he's on the wrong way.
10-4.
Shit. Alright.
What's your plate?
We're still, we are getting back on northbound.
67, they're coming towards you. Northbound approach to 69. Speed 130, go traffic. Northbound.
Got tires going flat, tires going flat.
I wasn't running. Motherfucker. I wasn't running. My gas pedal was fucking low. Hey, sir, I'm not lying. Why you guys? I tried calling 911. Hey, I swear, look, I'm not lying to you. I got a knife in my right pocket, okay? Right here. Right pocket. Hey, sir, don't pick up this. Let's take this down. Hey, ow.
The troopers eventually caught the suspect after the driver speeds past another trooper going 140 miles per hour. And what the driver says as his defense will shock you.
Hey man, you need an ambulance look at you?
Yeah, because
Billboard through little 1016 or a 30-year-old male, like thing. Come on, man.
My fucking, I just had my fucking car work
Here, clean up my hood.
I ain't got, you're fine, I can't, oh, there, I told you I had that on me a minute ago. Goddamn. Baby, the fucking throttle's sticking. Oh, no. That's the keys. That's all I got. Please, sir.
What?
Can my ass against the car? Please.
Give me 2 seconds. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let me ask you a question. The gas pump's got right? Okay, so whenever we got to 71, you slowed all the way down, you flipped around, you got back up. I couldn't stop. Listen, I think the ID over there, you go to the other lane, you can't back, you can't go. You're down there. Just a minute. No, I'm trying to tell you.
The man, later identified as 31-year-old Michael Dorsey, claimed his gas pedal was stuck, which is why he could not stop. The trooper then calls out Michael, saying he slowed down to take a turn earlier in the chase. Michael was soon arrested. Our next chase takes place on April 16, 2025 at approximately 7:45 p.m. in Anaheim, California. Police officers responded after they received a call that someone had been shot. The suspect, who was driving a white pickup truck, is seen escaping the scene.
Shooter, male, white glasses, still in a white truck. Everyone keeps saying they don't know, and that they're leaving in a truck. We're trying to
Southbound with a male wearing glasses. White pickup truck.
copy a white picture, leaving southbound.
Who was it?
Copy, I was a victim.
Who shot you?
I don't know who's on.
Okay, sit down. Where'd they go?
They're running.
From Rogers, we're trying to catch
What kind of car did he get in? Did he leave?
I don't know. Please help. I need an ambulance now, bro.
What's that?
Please help me.
Did he leave? Is he still here?
No, he left.
Suspect's VOA, can I get fired to come to my location at the hotel?
Eastbound Polk, northbound.
After getting the description of the truck, a large group of cops are sent out to arrest the shooter, as well as a helicopter.
91.
He tried to spike him, but it didn't work, and now it's northbound State College from the freeway.
Northbound State College from the 91.
Southbound State College from Orangeburg.
Southbound State College from Orangeburg. 26, 23 for...
And what can we block me?
Someone requesting a unit to block me.
26 but they tried to push him into the side of the street. That didn't work. We're southbound State College through Lincoln.
Continuing southbound State College to Lincoln.
Southbound through South Street.
Eastbound Memory from City Drive.
There's a pit on the Memory Drive over the riverbed. The car isn't quite immobilized yet.
Hit on the vehicle in the area of City Drive.
They have the back end of the pickup truck stopped, so they're 960 X-ray kind of, but the guy's on the gas trying to get away.
Attempting a 960.
And a car to go to Memory in Bristol, east of here, and stop traffic there. This situation is still active. It looks like there's a shooting involved, so can you start the fire department?
After many attempts to stop the shooter, the officers finally pit him, resulting in the car spinning out, hitting the side of the highway where it stops. After, a large shootout occurs between the cops and the shooter. Viewer discretion advised.
Pin it.
The shooter, Danny Lee Coelho, was fatally wounded by the gunfire, and the victim who was shot got treatment at the hospital and lived. This next chase took place back on March 31st, 2022, when a hit-and-run suspect took the Ohio State Police on a high-speed chase.
Approaching 303 right now, going about 84 mile, 85 mile an hour. Set up as a county line on his bridge.
Take him out, Jason.
I'm in contact with my business, northbound on primary, 1539, take radio. 770 out. Okay, northbound on primary, take radio, who's our... Brown is 230, going into the county line now, it's 1858 from a distance. Slow it down, went around, possible south station. 1610, not around traffic. You got a shot, take it. That's the lane. On the right berm, approaching the turnpike, right berm. Coming back over now. Left-hand lane, left-hand lane. Left-hand lane right here, right in front of me.
Take him out!
Nagari Road is shut down. I sent him back to 230, back southbound. Exiting off of 82, exiting off 82, southbound to 82. Put up 82, but right now, up 82, hit some traffic here. Going west on 82, west on 82. With 47 units out to 82. Okay. On 82, permission to continue pursuit. Heavy traffic on 82. Go ahead with it.
You need to continue the pursuit until aviation gets there. Any opportunity to pit, you need to take it.
About 57 from Chestnut. Okay, I'm running the G parallel on 83. Signal 100 northbound in the southbound lane, 57 north of Chestnut.
1721's out. Since car
39.
57 just north of Chestnut.
What's the status?
The 31 at gunpoint right now. We're getting them out. At gunpoint.
Coming up behind you.
While trying to escape the police, the driver drove across multiple lanes, but ultimately crashed into a ditch and got arrested. On June 12, 2025, the Fenton City PD located a stolen car and initiated a pursuit. The stolen vehicle then turned onto Hughes Road, where it failed to stop at the intersection and struck a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado.
12, go ahead.
Central 55, we're ramping off southbound 59.
Clear ramping off the 59, 4772, are you clear direct?
I'm 59 as the exit ramp.
Central 55, looks like we're going to be going westbound 59 from 23.
Clear westbound on 59 from 23.
Alright, Central, we're going to be right lane. Heavy traffic, speeds are 45. Looks like he's going to pull the light, 59, 123. Still heading westbound.
And for units, it's going to be freshly stolen today out of Washtenaw.
Alright, my guys with sticks, we're coming up on you right now. Speeds are 45, he's slowing down. Looks like he's going into oncoming traffic.
You're going into oncoming traffic, 680, are you clear direct?
Subaru stopped at the shoulder on the left side.
shoulder on the left side. Clear one around the six.
One around the sticks. We're gonna be.
4744 and 71, they passed 686. They'll be approaching you.
Alright, we're southbound Hughes. Speeds look like 60 miles an hour. We're approaching Golf Club. See if I can try to shoot a pit.
They're approaching Golf Club, initiating a pit, 1645.
Alright, PI, we got a rollover.
PI, we got a rollover.
PI rollover.
Let me see your hands.
No, fuck, no. No, I'm drunk now.
You alright? You're alright? Just you in the car? Is this you? Alright. He's good.
Still
He's
in the driver's
good.
seat?
Yep, still driver's seat. Alright, break it up.
After failing to stop at the intersection and striking the truck, the suspect was arrested. The impact caused the Chevrolet Silverado to overturn against the guardrail. Luckily, the driver was okay. In this last chase, the car crashes multiple times and drives off. The car avoided the spike trap set by the cops, but after another crash, the driver decided to run, which resulted in a foot chase.
10-4 vehicle east on Jefferson turning into lane.
Vehicle just turned on into Monterrey at 1050 against the wall.
For vehicle northbound on 19th.
West on Hollywood, going back towards Hollywood.
10-4, southbound on Maryland.
It's on the stop sign of McPherson and just 1050 Laredo. 1050 with the vehicle. Send EMS. Driver's wearing red shorts, white shirt.
10-4, vehicle just 1050, driver wearing red shorts.
The man Humberto Misael Garcia was arrested and charged with smuggling of persons, evading arrest, failure to stop and render aid, and reckless driving. Troopers located 4 illegal immigrants inside the vehicle and referred them to the U.S. Border Patrol. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.